In this video, I'll show you how you can install previous Nvidia drivers. Now the first thing is you want to come down here and search for Device Manager, find Display Adapters, right click on it, Properties, Driver, and in here you should see Rollback Driver. Now if you can click on this, try and click on it, and it's going to go back to a previous driver. Now if this one is grayed out, what you can do is you can right click on it again, and this time Update Driver, browse my computer, let me pick, and then in here you should be able to see the drivers. Now if this still doesn't work, what you can do is you can right click on it, go to Properties, Driver right here, and in here you should see the driver date. So as you can see, this is my date. So what I would do is I would head over to Google and search for Nvidia GeForce and then my graphics card driver, and then I would find the dates on the official Nvidia website, and I would find an older date than this one. And then I would download that driver instead, and that will be my new driver. So those are the ways that you can roll back your driver. Now I really hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.